Now let's move into the cryptocurrency space, and for this specific one I'll look at 3 cryptocurrencies. I'll start with Bitcoin, and then I'll do Ethereum, and then I'll do Litecoin. Guys, we have been on an extremely consolidating but ascending channel, but as you can see, as of today, price is starting to break off that channel, and this gives us a further continuation to the downside to at least retest the 13,542 area. So this is a neat trade. I have it running. I'll hold it for quite a while. I'll do a special segment into the new week on cryptocurrency and my general short, medium, and long-term bias on cryptocurrency. Just mark it somewhere. Yeah, so that we can be able to understand where we're coming from, where we're moving into the near future and the long term, because when you look at it on the weekly chart, we still have a further leg to the downside. We still expect this to come all the way up to there, because I don't expect this to come back to zero. Zero is quite far, but to be honest, I will be more at ease if this was to come to, just a second, let me do something. My general observation about this particular market, you see guys, you see, I'll be more at ease for this price to come down to 8,000. I am not sure how long it's gonna take, or if at all it will ever come back there, but now this will be a perfect opportunity to now give us a long-term trend that will break past the previous high to at least this region of 62 all the way to 85. 62 to 85, that region. You see? So there is still more move to the downside. Be very careful. There is nothing like buying crypto right now. And if Bitcoin with all signs is giving us an indication of a further sell, then we expect this thing to dip at least to the 1350 area. Any region between the 1350 to 83.56, this is a perfect area to be able to buy deep. And now wait for the market to take this thing up. In a maximum of maybe 1 or 2 years down the line, we should be back to the 62, 65 area. If that is the case, then it goes without saying that even for Ethereum, look for a sell. And as you can see, this is a double. This is a bottom. We expect it to hit the same. This is a double bottom, out of which from there, then we expect the price to go up. So for now, these are perfect sells, very perfect sells. These are perfect. I'll give them as trades for the week next week. This is a perfect sell, and as well as Ethereum, a perfect sell, out of which from here then we can be able to see the viability and the possibility of going up. Technically, it means that if we come to 797, we will have moved from 5,000 all the way to 700. That's a crazy dip. But from here, we expect price now to break up very fast, the same way it did this move. We expect that move to come. Let me just show you guys so that you can have an understanding. You see this move, that is the same move we expect here. That is the same move I expect to happen here. That's the same move. This move is what I expect to happen there. So are we together? Let me declutter the charts. And then finally we have Litecoin versus the dollar. Same thing, guys. Same thing. If I come to the daily, same thing. Look at this. Look at that. We are consolidating. We are consolidating, and I expect this thing to take it down. When we come to the daily, we need to be able to see it well. I expect this to at least come down and retest this area 2177. Why 2177? Because this is a strong resistant area, as you can see. Just a minute, let me highlight it with yellow. We have 1, we have 2. I expect the same to happen here, out of which from there, then we can have this move to the upside. So if you do not want to bother the market, if you want to really take some swing trades that you will never regret, if you want a passive form of investment, then cryptocurrency, you can open a special account, especially if you have good capital like $10,000. You can open a special account that is a passive investing account and have a pending buy at 21.77 for Litecoin. You will come to thank me later after 5 years. If you have a pending buy here for Litecoin, a pending buy here at 797 for Ethereum, and a pending buy on Bitcoin any place from around 13,000, then the 10,000 account in 5 years down the line, you absolutely have no excuse as to why that account cannot be at $100,000. And that is my strategy. That is my approach. I'm waiting for this to consolidate and come down all the way to this area. Then I can be able to jump in the long term, at least with a minimum of a $10,000 account. That should give you a risk to reward of 1 to 10 on a worst case. But otherwise, guys, this is a crazy momentum. And you can take a big volume from down here and it will pay you. Big time. You can't blow an account from here, definitely. You cannot blow an account. I don't see price breaking past here. Otherwise, that will be the end of Litecoin. And I don't see cryptocurrency going down to 0. It cannot happen. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, kindly drop them in the comment section. I'll be able to answer you. Let's meet tomorrow and dive deeper into this market. For now, for this one, actually let me get into this trade, but in a very conservative way. Yeah, I expect it to, just as an indication that I expect price from here to take it back all the way up there. So guys, thank you so much for watching this market recap. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've looked at your setups. Let's meet again tomorrow once the market is closed for a live stream. Tomorrow I'll be doing a live stream and it will be a market roundup on a special series we're starting at the end of every week called the closing bell. So I will dive deep into the markets. Let's see what has been moving the market for the week. Let's see the potential opportunities and setups into the new week, and we can build the conversation further. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Refer your friends if you've not referred your friends. And let's meet tomorrow. Cheers and good luck trading.